Imagine waking up with steady energy, clear focus, and a body that finally feels like yours again. That's what happens when your hormones get the support that they need. And one of the most powerful tools we have today is injection therapy for hormone health. Now, let's break it down in a way that's clear, grounded, and doable. Welcome back to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. This is part 2 of our hormone series. In part 1, we covered why hormones are the missing link for so many women and the signs of imbalance you might be ignoring. Today, we're going specific. I'll share what injection therapy is, who it helps, how it works, and a bonus tip about the 6 hormones that matter most for longevity. So injection therapy delivers specific nutrients, peptides, or bioidentical hormones. That's for another practitioner. That's not my wheelhouse. But these injections go directly into the body. So unlike pills or herbs, injections bypass digestion. So in this way, your body absorbs them fully and directly. Unlike pills or herbs, injections bypass the digestion. So your body absorbs them fully and quickly. They can be tailored to your unique needs based on labs and energetic pattern. So why does this matter for women aged 30 to 50? This is a stage where stress, kids, careers, and aging collide. Your adrenal glands, your stress responders, may be exhausted. Your thyroid may be sluggish. Your ovaries may be shifting years before menopause. This is why you may feel off, but get told that your labs are fine. Injection therapy can bridge this gap. So the fun part, let's talk about some common injections for hormone therapy. So let's talk about the B12 and MIC injections. This is the lipo injection. So you heard me right. They do use it for fat loss, but it can also help with regulating hormones. It can boost energy, metabolism, and your mood. So now vitamin D injections can help boost immunity, bone health, and longevity. Now, we are huge proponents of peptide injections. Given the right source and doctor with training and knowledge, they've done their homework. Make sure you find a good practitioner for peptide injection therapy, okay? So peptides can help the body regenerate, improve sleep, and balance stress response. So many other things, but that's just a few to get you started. Now, there are bioidentical hormone injections. That's not my wheelhouse, and usually because we are true root cause, we can help between herbs, supplements, changing food, things like that. We are usually able to prevent patients from needing hormone replacement therapy. But if that's something you are interested in, there are practitioners out there that do that, just not us in particular. But these can help restore estrogen, progesterone, or testosterone levels in a way that feels natural to the body. Now, this is just something from a TCM perspective you could or should do if you're trying to rebalance your hormones quickly, but you still need to address the root cause. Why are these imbalances occurring? Okay, that's what we need to work on. So from a TCM perspective, injections can be seen as replenishing the essence or Jing when reserves have been depleted. So depending on your constitution, you may or may not need to dive deeper into a root cause for us, but that's something we'll discuss when we see you in office. So, what are the safety and considerations before beginning injection therapy? These are not quick fixes. There are no quick fixes. And if somebody tells you there is, it's a lie and you should run. It takes time to build health just as it takes time to decline health. Okay. Now, these are going to get you to a healthy state faster, but it's not a quick fix. They are tools to be used wisely under professional care. Dosing and frequency is highly individualized, something to think about. And injection therapy is most powerful when paired with lifestyle, nutrition, emotional wellness, and TCM support. Now for the bonus tips. The 6 hormones that heavily impact longevity. So estrogen protects bones, brain, and skin. Progesterone calms the nervous system and improves sleep. Testosterone supports muscle, mood, and drive. Cortisol is a stress hormone that needs to be balanced. Insulin helps regulate weight and inflammation. And lastly, thyroid hormones control metabolism and energy. Injection therapy can be a powerful key, but it works best when it's part of a holistic plan rooted in both ancient wisdom and modern science. So until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced.